Welcome back to my channel. This is Miss T, and today we will continue our basic Arabic tutorial series, lesson number 4. So today we are going to be learning about the basic colors and numbers in Arabic. Let's begin. Let's begin with the color red. Red or pula is ahmar in Arabic. Ahmar. Now we go with the color yellow. Yellow or dilaw is asfar. Asfar. Now we go with the color orange or kahel in Tagalog. It is called burtukali in Arabic. Burtukali. Green or verde is called akdar. Akdar. Blue or azul is called azrak. Azrak. Violet or ube is called banafsiji. Banafsiji. Pink or rosas is called WARDY. WARDY. Brown is called bunni. Bunni. Gray is called RAMADI. RAMADI. Black or itim is called aswad. Aswad. White or puti is called abyad. Abyad. By the way, guys, kulay or color is lon in Arabic. So that's lon. If you want to say color or kulay, it's lon. So that's it for the basic colors in Arabic. We will now begin with the basic numbers. So, number 1 or isa is wahid. Wahid. Number 2 or dalawa is ithnain. Ithnain. 3 or tatlo is talata. Talata. 4 or apat is arba'a. Arba'a. 5 or 5 is kamsa. 6 or 6 is sitta. Sitta. 7 or 7 is saba'a. Saba'a. 8 or 8 is thamanya. Thamanya. 9 or 10 is tisa'a. Tisa'a. 10 or 10 is ashara. 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 0 or ano sa Tagalog 0? Bokya. Joke. 0 is sifr. Sifr. 50 or 50 is kamsin. Kamsin. 100 or 100 is miya. Miya. 1,000 or 1,000 is alif. Alif. I will have another tutorial for all the other numbers na hindi natin na i-discuss dito kasi medyo complicated. We have to learn the basic first. So, 1 to 10, tapos 50, 100, and 1,000. So, there you have it, guys. I hope you learned something new today about colors and numbers. And as a bonus, I'm going to give you some additional words in Arabic na hindi pa natin na-discuss during the previous lessons. So, the first one is mabruk. Mabruk. Mabruk is congratulations. So, we say it when mga kasama natin, let's say, na-promote sila, or nagkaroon, kunyari, may new baby sa family nila. Kahit sa mga employers natin, pwede natin ito sabihin. Pag may new babies sila sa family nila, pag may ikinasal, or may binili silang bago, let's say, bumili mga amo ninyo ng bagong kotse, or meron silang bagong bahay, or kahit na anong bago, you say mabruk. And of course, mashallah. want to teach you also how to say, it's nice to meet you. So, pag may pinakilala sa inyo, inintroduce sa inyo, and you want to say, ikinagagala kitang makilala, or in English, I'm pleased to meet you, or I'm honored to meet you. You will say, tasharafna. Tasharafna. It's quite formal. So, parang may paggalang. Hindi siya yung casual way of saying, it's nice to meet you, pero more formal way siya. So, tasharafna. Tusba ala khair. Tusba ala khair is what you say if you want to say good night. Pag kunyari maghihiwalay na kayo ng mga friends ninyo, or maybe yung boss ninyo sa bahay ay matutulog na sila, or yung mga alaga ninyo, you can say tusba ala khair. Tusba ala khair is good night. And if you want to say goodbye, of course, you say maasalam or maasalama. So guys, thank you for joining me in this video. I hope you will give me a thumbs up, especially kung meron kayong natutunan. And I hope you guys enjoyed it. And please subscribe and click on that notification bell to learn further and join the journey of learning Arabic with me. Bye guys! Hanggang sa susunod. Maasalama!